Hello friends, today I am with a new video in which the topic is related to Google Meet. Yes, many of the people are having online teaching, online learning they are doing. So many extensions are there which are very much helpful to you in a Google Meet. So let us start. So first of all, we will see how to take attendance. Many of the people are taking the attendance by just going for the chat. Like you can take an example that here I have a chat box in which if I write it here that yes, like Rachana, roll number this. Okay, so this way you can copy it. You can copy like I've written here, and then I can control A. I can select this, control A, and control copy paste it. Now the next way, that is the shortcut method, but now we will see how to go with the Google Meet. Yes, there are many extensions in the web store, so we'll go by Google Meet attendance. Okay, when you will click on Google Meet attendance, yes, so you will get it over here, Google Chrome. In that you have to just click the extension and you have to select it, add to Chrome you have to do. Okay, then after that, as I have done it already, next is after that we are having push to talk. Push to talk, in that what is the helpful over here, that whenever we are coming to the meeting, by default we are sometimes we are mute. Okay, so yes, you want to hear, you can see I am already there, so you are mute over there. So yes, you can unmute yourself by just pressing the space bar key. So let us start. I have just went to my Google Meet. Now I'm showing you over here that there are three participants, yes, with me. Okay, so two are there. So you can see here that I have picked over here. Yes, here you will see add-ons. Add-ons, in that you will select meet attendance. Okay, then meet attendance. After that you will have the Google Meet push to talk. You have to pin on that. Okay, if you will pin on that, then that three things you will see over here. So here, yes, you can see Google Meet attendance. So as you can see here the options, and they are given the information related to it. Yes, add a new sheet if you want to go with a new sheet. If you want to go with a new spreadsheet, in a new spreadsheet it will be saved. And here to switch in between of that, my it is working like a checkbox, so it is not like switch on switch off. Okay, so when I've completed the means the participants have entered, now I want to take the attendance, then I have to not to wait for copy paste. I have to just click on this and I will add that extension. I've already done, and you can see here that three response, here the response is there. Okay, that three participants are over here. When I will click over here, you will see it is 0, it is turning to 0. Okay, so yes, when I will click again, you can see here three participants are over here. This is to go for the new sheet, and this is for the new spreadsheet. Now I have completed. So what I will do, I will go to the response. As I will go for the response, you can see here the name of the person. Okay, so this is about the meet attendance. Now we will see push to talk. Yes, I have already pinned on it. Okay, now how it is helpful, I will just show you here that I have kept the cursor over here. I am just pressing by pressing the space bar I can mute and unmute myself. Okay, so when you are working in the computer, and that time in the laptop, at that time many of the students are getting admitted, so you are admitting and admitting every time, and that time you are not getting the time to move your cursor towards the mute to unmute yourself, so you can press the space bar key. Okay, so this is about the push to talk.